Nature's bounty is gathered with care.
Prepared for the journey ahead. Transport within the factory ensures smooth flow. Cooling ensures safe storage before milling. Cooling preserves quality for the next stage. Every shipment is logged and verified. The heart of the wafer takes its first form. Cooling ensures sheets maintain shape for precise cuts.
Accuracy shapes each future biscuit. Organization precedes transformation by heat.
Every layer meets exacting standards.
Every grain enters the production journey. Innovation meets tradition in every production line.
Temperature control preserves quality.
Every grain is prepared with care. Grains are transformed into the foundation of wafers.
Uniform texture guarantees quality in every bite.
Precision keeps the dough consistent and pliable.
Heat unlocks the wafer's final texture.
The place where raw grains become delight.
Clean grains prepare for processing. Moisture is carefully reduced for safety.
Stored securely, ready for transformation.
The wafer sheet begins its delicate form.
Every kernel is carefully secured. The heart of the factory begins to beat with the harvest. Uniformity is key to consistent wafer texture. Impurities are removed at the start.
Crispness is preserved through controlled cooling. Every shipment is logged and verified.
Raw elements blend into wafer dough.
Every piece is sealed for freshness.
Flavor and texture merge with precision. Technology ensures flawless quality.
A glossy finish is applied with care. Crispness and coating solidify perfectly.
Layers combine to create the classic wafer structure. Consistency is key in every bite-sized piece.
Preparation ensures each biscuit reaches its final form.
Automation awaits to finalize production efficiency.
Final touches add visual appeal and taste.
Protection is applied for safe transport.
Every piece is sealed for freshness.
Precision robotics handle the packaging seamlessly. Protection and stability are applied automatically. Automation handles even the final transition. Traceability is embedded in every package.
Environmental control preserves freshness.
Sealing locks in freshness and quality.
Integration ensures every product reaches its destination.
Intelligence monitors stock and flow in real time.
Autonomous transport links production to dispatch.
Human attention catches what machines might miss.
Precision technology ensures flawless presentation.
Each pallet is uniquely identified for traceability.
Space is optimized without compromising accessibility.
Texture tests confirm the iconic wafer crunch.
Final checks guarantee shipment integrity. High-tech systems ensure efficiency and precision.
And this is how modern factories produce wafer biscuits from start to finish.